Hey, here's another project update on this Hillside stair system and ATV ramp. We're coming along pretty good. As you see in the last videos, we've got the stairs in. We're working on the ramp. We've actually got the ramp in, the rails in on the sides. We also got the piling set along the area going from the stair system all the way out to the water. That's about 300-foot boardwalk right there. There are 20-foot pilings. We drove all those in, got them in place. Now we got the framing going up on there. So if y'all would, just keep staying tuned. We've probably got another couple weeks on this project here. I'll keep posting updated videos as we go so you can see the progress. One reason for getting up early, this is just beautiful. Scenic highway. Pretty good progress for 2 days. You got 170 foot of piling set. Gonna be framing up the boardwalk here. And that's a set of stairs. That's crazy looking from here. And they're putting down the decking on that boardwalk for the ramp now. Changing our bucket out, putting a vibratory hammer back on, and try to get this boardwalk finished up all the way to the shoreline. We're going to start setting some poles out in the water. 200-foot dock going out with a nice sized platform and large boathouse. Every one of these poles set to actually a day and a half. It's a little over 200 foot of boardwalk. Climbing up down this big hill over here, and I got 2 more jobs just like it. So here's a new tool that's needed in the DMC arsenal. Make things a little bit easier getting tools back and forth. A whole lot. Slow motion going through these cedar or cypress stumps, wherever they are. Yeah. Perfect set. That's an 18-foot piling driven down, only about 6 foot exposed. Set out almost to the water's edge, close to right at 300 foot of boardwalk. Comes all the way out here. You look at that, you see that as a straight line set of poles over 300 foot. A lot of cypress stumps and roots and mud and muck. All day on the water. Barge all the way up to Noriega Drive, Scenic Highway. Project's coming along really good. Got the 4-wheeler ramp tied into the dock platform. We got all the piling set for the boardwalk going out to the main dock, and now we're down there actually framing that dock up too. Here's the 4-wheel ramp. Make a nice little descent down to the bottom. So you're not going down those stairs. It's going to be pretty cool. Can't wait to ride it tomorrow. Get my 4-wheeler on it and try it out. First part's pretty steep. It's about 22 degrees. Then it levels out to 18 degrees. That's really pretty curves that Chase actually did. He was the foreman on this project and laid it out and did an excellent job. All the curves are real nice and easy. Got just a little bit of embankment to it so you don't feel like you're rolling over the edge. Got some heavy duty rough cut timbers on the sides in case you do run to the edge, keep you on the boardwalk instead of rolling over, because it's a pretty good sized drop off over there. Once you get on the platform, you make the turn. We went ahead and made the dock 5 foot wide as well, so you can drive all the way out to the boathouse. on a couple retainer walls on the hillside now where we came down with a track hoe to prevent erosion. That's a good hit. You have to check those, they're going at an angle. You have to level them up.
Yeah.
See them? Okay. All right.
Yeah, this is these. This way, son.
Okay. Keep them looking pretty. See, bouncing on the root too. Another root?
Yeah.
There's
quite a few right here.
Yeah. Y'all got a bunch of ice down here, don't you?
Yes, sir.
It's frost everywhere.
You frost? Yeah. Ain't come to me a quarter.
Come to you?
Yeah.
Nope.
All right, go ahead then.
Y'all about to get those finished up, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What'd you do with Hunter? Did you run him off?
I don't even know. The nail gun can work, so I can jump down there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, once again, this has been a pretty fun project. Appreciate y'all checking out this video. If y'all get a chance, like and share. And if you got any comments, leave me a comment. I want to keep updating videos on this as we progress with this project. Thanks a lot.